Good morning. I'm Christy Duffy for SmarTrend News. Today is Tuesday, August 17th, and this is your opening bell market update. U.S. stock futures are trading higher today ahead of economic and earnings reports that are expected to show improvement. Economic reports due out include housing starts, industrial production, and inflation at the retail level. In recent months, economic reports have indicated slowing growth in the economy, which has caused investors to worry that a double-dip recession may occur. Economists expect the Commerce Department will report that construction of new homes and apartments climbed to a seasonally adjusted annual rate of 560,000 in July from 549,000 in June. The Federal Reserve is expected to report that industrial production grew 0.5% in July, up from the 0.1% rise in June. The Producer Price Index is expected to have risen 0.2% in July after falling 0.5% in June. Excluding energy and food prices, economists predict that core inflation rose 0.1% last month. In corporate news, Spectrum Brands reported fiscal third quarter EPS of 49 cents ex items, topping the street estimate of 45 cents per share. Revenues for the quarter rose almost 11% year over year to $653.5 million, ahead of street estimates for $623 million. Abercrombie Fitch also reporting earnings this morning, posting a second quarter EPS of 22 cents, topping the street estimates for 16 cents. Revenues rose 8% to $612.6 million, well short of the street estimate for $727.7 million. Comparable store sales increased 5%. Taking a look at market futures this morning, the Dow Jones Industrial Average futures are trading 51 points above fair value. The S&P 500 trading 7.5 points above fair value, and the Nasdaq Composite futures are trading close to 10 points above fair value. Now for more perspective on what's going to be happening in the markets today, let's turn it to Andy's Infotis from Lagard Capital. Good morning, Andy.
Morning, Christy. Well, yesterday we didn't really expect much out of the market, and we didn't get anything. The market was virtually flat. This morning, however, completely different story. We've had a lot of news so far. We had Home Depot report earnings of 72 cents. That was a penny ahead of estimates, although they did cut their full-year revenue outlook by just a little bit. Walmart, the nation's largest retailer, also reported earnings of 97 cents a share. That was in line with estimates, although revenues did fall a little bit short. They also did say that their consumer is spending, but they're doing so pretty cautiously. Teen retailer Abercrombie Fitch also out with earnings of 24 cents a share. That was ahead of street estimates of 16 cents. So a lot of retail earnings to digest this morning. On the M&A front, another busy day. We had yesterday Dell and 3PAR. Today we have agricultural company Potash reject an offer for BHP to be acquired for $130 a share. Shares of Potash are about 26% higher pre-market at $140 per share. So obviously the street looking for either an increased bid out of BHP or a rival bid. Keep an eye on shares of the fertilizer space today. Mosaic, Agrium, CF, and a bunch of other companies likely to be active today as a result of this BHP news. The economic calendar also pretty full today. We have PPI expected to tick higher. We've had a lot of people in the deflation camp who will be watching that number pretty closely. We also have housing starts, building permits, and industrial production. So a very full day there. Right now, the S&P, we are below the 50-day moving average, which is at 1087. We are oversold right now. We've been oversold for a while, so people are looking for this this bounce. But keep an eye on that 1087 level as a possible level of resistance.
Thank you, Andy. I'm Christy Duffy for SmarTrend News. For more news and market analysis, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's Trade the Trend. Also visit our website, tradethetrend.com, for more headlines.
Trade the Trend with a free 14-day trial from SmarTrend, the equity trend alert system that helps you discover the right stocks at the right time. SmarTrend takes the guesswork and emotions out of investing and gives you real-time unique indicators of stocks on the move. SmarTrend uses a proprietary system developed by financial market and computer systems experts. Now is the time to get smart with your investments. Sign up for a free 14-day trial. Visit tradethetrend.com/TV to sign up now.